Well, this is me trying to walk up the hill to get to the park, to take pictures. I don't know if this was brave or stupid. It is kind of heavy out here. Oh, okay. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, we got somebody else across the street taking pictures. Oh, yeah. Well, he looked 40 years younger than me. Yep, I'm stupid. Okay. All right. Oh, it's beautiful though. Oh, what do we have here? We have a, okay. There's a gas light with some lights around it. Can you see it? Well, maybe I'll walk back down the block on that side if I can get across the street. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let me turn this off so I have some film left, some disc left when I get to the park.